In this video, I'm going to say you how you can submit your video on Clipster. Let me show you something, then I'll move further. Look, I already submitted a lot of video. If you go through, I have submitted 456 video till now, and I still didn't make that much money, but it's fine. I'm still working on all this thing. I have $11 and 51 cent left, and 11.52 still pending. You just have to upload the video. Let me give you a demonstration how you can do. This is my YouTube channel and let me upload a video. Okay. This is a video I want to upload. Okay. Now let me add the channel. It's fine. Let me search the movie. Complete my uploading thing. Okay. Let the video upload. I didn't get that much views. My last video get just 561. Look, this channel is already dead. I'm trying, but it's not going. I have, if you want to, okay. How much? Okay. The video is in the processing. Okay. The video is finally uploaded. I just copied the link. Okay. And just copy the link and come to this part. This is the campaign I have chosen. This is the brief. You need to read all. There is everything written here. Just go here and submit this. We will wait for a minute and it's already done. Look, the video I have posted it already done. This is all for the video. I hope you like the video. If you find content is useful for you, you can subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video, and you can suggest me what video should be the next. I reply back to every comment I got. Thank you for watching. See you soon.